Hey guys, what's up? And in this video we are going to be unboxing the MoYu magnetic Skewb. Let's get into the Skewb now. That's the bill. Now use the Skewb. Oh, another one. Okay, now this one is... Okay, let's just get out of the way. It says yes, Skewb. There's nothing over here. There's Skewb label there. I already have a black one, so here's the Skewb, the MoYu magnetic Skewb. Let's get into it. And what does this say? This is just how to solve the cube. Okay, first of all, it's like not as it's a bit lighter than the normal Skewb. MoYu Skewb. Now, okay, let's just get this out of the way. Okay, as soon as I take it out, it became lighter. Okay, first turns. Okay, so it's a bit unstable, but you can hear the magnets clicking. A little bit of spring noise too. I'm going to IIA summer April opening, and this is going to be my main over there. I just ordered one because I had the old MoYu Skewb and it's just not performing as good as this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go a bit of do a solve over here and give my first impressions. It's quite smooth, if you would ask me. It has no type of lockingness or and corner cutting. Let's check out corner cutting. What's this? Whatever that is. Corner cutting 45 degrees, more than that. Oh yeah, it goes almost no, not that. Okay, half a block. I would say this is rather a better version and a magnetic version of the MoYu Skewb, and it's a nice one. It's fast, it has no lockups. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and practice and get ready for IIA Bangalore. Thank you guys for watching.